Okay, so you want to take your beam, put in your M5 insert into the hole. See the slot for the X-Acto knife blade. You want to take your 608 bearing and just pop it onto the beam like that. Okay. You want to then take your base, and this will slide in either way into the base. Okay. Then you want to take your wedge, and with the wedge you want to look to find the 90-degree angle, which you can see right here. And if it's flipped the other way, you can tell it looks a little off. But with that, with the 90 on the bottom, you want to find the wider slot in your base and insert that. And the harder you push, the more that beam is going to get locked in. To unlock it, you just push from the other side a little bit. You can pull it out. You can readjust the beam. All right, so we'll put that in for now. Next thing you want to do is take your X-Acto knife blade, gently put that in. You can hold it with your finger there. And then similar with this wedge, you want to look for that 90-degree angle. If it's flipped the other way, right, it doesn't look quite 90. You want to take that 90 and on the side with the wide slot, take that 90 and put it towards the bearing side. And you slide that in, and that will wedge in the X-Acto blade. And to undo that, you can just pop it from the other side and adjust the blade to whatever height you need quickly and push it back in. Now with the thumb screw, put that down for right now. Just take your M5 screw. It should be at least 25 millimeters long. You can just insert it in there, take a little Allen wrench and screw it in, and take the cap and pop it on. You can then take the M5 or the thumb screw and screw it on. Now what you can do while you do things or while you make a cut is adjust this wedge so it holds the blade stiffly, doesn't move too easily. But then you can take your thumb screw and for every pass you go, turn it down another notch or two. You may have to hold your blade to get it to go down another notch. Okay. I like to put it on top of whatever I'm going to cut. Loosen this up. Make sure everything lays flat. And then tighten that up. And if I want, I can put the thumb screw back in at that point. Okay. Now you can take your lid, and that should just rest on top of the beam entirely, or rest on top of your base. And it should hold well enough that you can pick up everything with it. Now I've included several pegs that will fit